Apple may allow third-party developers to create and release their own customized watch faces for the Apple Watch, code spotted in WatchOS hints. According to a report in 9 to 5 Mac on Sunday, the update is seen in a code that is part of the latest WatchOS developers build, v4.3.1. The uncovered code in the NanoTimeKit framework in WatchOS 4.3.1 hints at updates like warnings for old apps, with a log message that states this is where the third-party face configuration bundle generation would happen. There's no indication about when Apple will allow this to happen, but it seems to be a step in favor of those who are not happy with the present options in its watch, the report notes. Apple is expected to unveil WatchOS 5 at this year's Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, starting in San Jose in the US on June 4. In the meanwhile, Apple has been found to have updated its internal Global Service Exchange, GSX, guidelines, and is said to now offer free service for Watch Series 2 units that are not powering on or are experiencing expanding battery issues. This update comes as a result of an internal memo shared by Apple with Apple stores and other authorized service providers last week, seen by a publication. Issued in countries including United States, Canada, Mexico, and some in Europe, the new service policy is most likely available worldwide or wherever Apple provides official support, as per a report by Macrumors. The report further states that the coverage will be for eligible devices for 3 years after the original purchase date, according to the internal document numbered SN4534.